Okay, so this is number 5.2, number 5. So on this one, we have a word game that has 100 tiles, so we know the total of tiles is 100. That's going to go in my bottom, that's my sample space. Okay, 98 of the tiles are letters, 2 of them are blanks, that's fine. The number of the tiles of each letter are shown. Here's this we have. You randomly draw one tile and then set it aside, then draw another tile. That is really important to know because that changes our sample space for that second draw. So the first draw, I have 100 tiles to choose from. And then when I go in to pick my second tile, I only have 99 to choose from. So that's important to remember. And then here it says event A. So my first one, I want to pick out a constant. And for my second pick, I want to pick a vowel. That's what event B is. So we want to find the probability that both events A and B will occur. So that and there means we're multiplying. So here's my event A times my event B. I gotta have 2 fractions there. So now remember what I was saying for the first part. Okay, so event A, we have 100 tiles to choose from. And event B, we don't have 100 because we already picked one up and we put it aside. We didn't put it back in our bag or box or whatever we have these tiles in. So now I only have 99 tiles to choose from. Okay, so now let's see how many of these are constants because our first chance we wanted a constant. So constants are not vowels. So vowels, I'm going to write down my vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So if I just subtract the A, E, I, O, and U and the blanks, because the blanks are also not a constant, out of my out of the total number of tiles I have, that will give me how many constants I have. So, or you can just add up all the constants together. I figured minusing might be easier for me. Either way you can do it. So 100 minus 9 minus 12 minus 9 minus 4 minus 8. Okay, now I gotta think, and sometimes y, is y here a vowel or a constant? I'm gonna keep it as a constant, see if my answers match. If not, I can change it later. Minus 8 and then minus 2. Okay, so I have 56 tiles to choose from that are constants. Okay, so now we want to choose a vowel. So I still have 100 tiles in there, or 100 tiles minus, or now I'm just gonna add all my vowels together. 9 plus 12 plus 4 plus 8 plus I missed a 9 there. And we don't want our blanks in there. So 42. At 42, now I only have 99 tiles because I picked one of them and they were a constant for my first one. That's what were probability. It was a constant, so I still have all my vowels there. Now I just put this in my calculator, multiply them together. I got 56 over 100 times 42 over 99. Ooh, I got it. They counted y as a constant, not a vowel. So, okay, so here I put this in my calculator. I get 23. I got 0.2375, which rounding up, or let's change it to a percent. So 23.75%. It wants me to round to the nearest tenth of a percent. So here's 23.8%. That would be my answer there. Okay, yep, and that is number 5.